Hi dear customers, this is our QLQ-KN95 mask body forming and cutting machine. Over some Euro customer call this machine as FFP2 machine. Okay, this is the automatical for making the mask body. Now let me show you the machine construction. This part is for the non-woven fabric, male brown fabric, and the hot fan cotton. Okay, so fiber layers here. Some customer don't want to use the hot fan cotton. For example, this one. Okay, because now it's in the summer, it's very hot. If you pull the hot fan cotton inside the mask, so these fibers layer, they come together from here. Okay, this is the first layer. This is first layer, and here they have 4 layers from here come together. And this is the noise bridge wire come from here. Okay, you can see. And this is the placing roller, and this is a cutter. So the shaper will come out from here and then separate from these parts, and the body will go out from here, come to here. Okay, this machine output is about 60 to 80 pieces per minute according to the thickness of the raw material. Now let me show you the machine working situation in next video.